Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you a healthy breakfast recipe, that is ragi masala dosa. Watch complete video for detailed recipe without skipping. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I post any videos you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends also. I have taken dosa rice. This rice will get it in Big Bazaar or in supermarkets. Today I am going to take 2 cups of dosa rice. Now I am adding 1 cup. I have taken another cup. Total 2 cups of dosa rice. You can see now. Now I have taken around 1 spoon of methi. And here in the same cup I have taken around half cup of urad dal. And you can see now I have taken around 2 spoons of chana dal. I am going to put it in one bowl. And I have taken half cup of thick poha. Once again I will show you the measurement. I have taken 2 cups of dosa rice, half cup of urad dal, 1 spoon of methi and 2 spoons of chana dal, and then half cup of thick poha. After now I am going to wash all these ingredients and I will soak it in water. Evening I will show you how to grind all the ingredients. Now evening all the ingredients are soaked well. Now I will start grinding. Now for mixer jar I am adding soaked urad dal, chana dal and methi. By adding water I will make very fine paste. Now I am adding soaked poha. Once again I will grind. Now the grinding of chana dal, urad dal, methi and poha is done. You can see I have done a fine paste. Now I am transferring it to a big bowl. Now I am adding soaked rice. Now I will grind the rice and I will make a fine paste. Now grinding of rice is also done. Now I will transfer it to the same bowl. I will mix it well. I will not add salt at this stage. I will add salt tomorrow morning. And today I am not going to show you how to do the batter fermentation. Batter fermentation I have showed in my previous videos. I will attach the link, you can check it. And now I have mixed it well. I will close the plate and I will allow it to ferment. Now morning you can see my dosa batter. It's fermented. Now I will mix it well. For usage how much you need, you can take it to a separate bowl and rest you can keep it in refrigerator and use whenever you want. Now I am taking little batter which is required for my breakfast, and rest things I will keep it in refrigerator. Now I am adding sugar. Why we add sugar is because it will give the texture as restaurant style and it will give the color also. I will mix it well and I will keep it aside for at least 10 minutes and then I will add the salt. Now I am adding salt to my dosa batter. I will mix it well. My dosa batter is ready. Now for preparing ragi masala dosa, I am taking ragi flour to 1 bowl. For this I am adding my prepared dosa batter. Mix it well. See, after mixing, the dosa batter for ragi masala dosa is ready. It looks like this. If you want, you can add little dosa batter and adjust the consistency. Now my tawa is heated. I am pouring the prepared ragi dosa batter on tawa. As we have used ragi flour, you will get this color. Now I am adding little oil. Once it is cooked, I am applying today red chutney. The recipe of red chutney, I showed it in previous videos. I will attach the link. You can check it. If you don't have red chutney, you can skip it also. You can see the texture. Here you can observe that it's turning to golden brown. Now I am applying red chutney. Why we apply red chutney? Because it enhances the taste. As I am doing ragi masala dosa, I am keeping potato palya. See, don't stick to tawa, it's very crispy. See, my ragi masala dosa is also ready. Now you can see very crispy ragi masala dosa is ready. You can see the crispiness. Along with that, coconut chutney. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos, you'll get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.